7th metal coating line that is being built in Australia. One of the main purposes of MCL7 is it adds 240,000 tonnes per annum of additional zinc aluminum capacity, which is the substrate which underpins the growth in the COLORBOND and TRUECORE markets in Australia. It is worth noting that MCL7 is the first zinc aluminum line that we have built in Australia after MCL4 was converted in 1993. I would say more recently we have started the commissioning at the entry as well as the entry accumulator. We have also started the commissioning at the exit and are about to start the commissioning at the exit accumulator as well. This is all while we are still mechanically installing the line and completing both the furnace, the afterpot cooling, the surface conditioning and the surface treatment sections of the line. The fact that we are now commissioning at this point is a very, very significant milestone. And what I'm most proud of is we're well over 1 million people hours on the project without one LTI. We have not injured anyone on the site to the level of an LTI. We're very, very proud of that. And the workforce that we have in the project team, our MTech team, and obviously our main contractors, they have come on board and worked very hard to make that happen. I think another highlight for me on the project is we have over 40% of the project team under the age of 31. And that combination of that young, keen intelligence that we see with our graduates coming through, and then mixing that with the older, more experienced members of our team, watching that come together and seeing each other working together, that has been a real success of this project. And there is no doubt in my mind that there will be people in years to come out of this MCL7 project team that will be future leaders of BlueScope. It's a wonderful thing to see and be a part of.